Welcome to an express tutorial for workshop software. Today we're going to be talking about loan cars. The loan car system is found here on the menu bar. All you need to do is make sure you have your template set up in advance. This can be found under Settings and Messages. And the only template you need to worry about for this step is the loan car terms and conditions. So make sure your terms and conditions are pasted in here, save the page, and we're ready to go. Add your loan cars here under Loan Vehicles. Simply press the star and press Add Loan Vehicle. Then add in all the information you need. Once there are vehicles in your system, under the Loan Car section, you can start to use the Loan Car Diary. Now what you'll find is whenever there's an availability, it's green. And that's the same on the Booking Diary. You'll see these circles. If that circle is green, it means there is at least some availability that day for a loan car. And a quick shortcut to the Loan Car Diary is to simply click on that little green circle and it takes you there, as if we clicked on that button. Now to book someone in, simply press the star and select Create Loan. You can link the booking to various different transactions in workshop software. I'm going to link mine to a customer. Now you can select the date. You can even add in the person's information if it may be different than what's already in our system. And then select the vehicle. Now we can select a start and a return time just by clicking the clock icon. And simply press create. You can see the booking in red. You can press the pencil to edit that booking, or press the clock to mark it as picked up. It'll ask you to confirm the details. You can then also add in a license number if you need for the driver, as well as the expiry. You can pop in some information about the vehicle, such as odometer, fuel level, the cleanliness, and who it was checked by, and you can add any other notes here. And we'll press continue here. The terms and conditions come up, so your customer can view this or you can print it out for them using print authorization. You just need to tick these terms and conditions as agreed and press confirm. And there you go. The vehicle is checked out. The clock symbol has been replaced with a car symbol, which you can press to return the car. You can then update the vehicle's information, add any note, edit. You can then update the vehicle's information, add any notes, and then press return. And that's everything about the loan car system.